Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the 5 best embroidery machine for beginners in 2025, hand-picked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. Royal Cellpro Mini Sewing Machine Kit, 123-piece set with ebook for beginners, pink handheld electric sewing machine. Step into the world of sewing with the Royal Cellpro Mini Sewing Machine Kit. This portable electric sewing machine comes with a comprehensive 123-piece set, including 67 essential tools like needles, thread spools, scissors, and a foot pedal, along with 56 DIY accessories. It's perfect for beginners, offering an ebook tutorial to guide you through creating items like aprons, shopping bags, and dolls with 3 difficulty levels. The machine features 2 speed modes and a built-in light for night sewing, plus a finger guard for added safety. Lightweight at only 3.74 pounds. It's ideal for teens and beginners looking for an easy-to-use, travel-friendly tool. A thoughtful gift choice for birthdays or holidays, the Royal Cellpro Sewing Machine Kit makes sewing fun and accessible. Number 2. Brother Skitch Single Needle Embroidery Machine, Art Spirit Connectivity, 4-inch by 4-inch designs, import custom files. Unlock your creative potential with the Brother Skitch Single Needle Embroidery Machine. Perfect for beginners, this compact and user-friendly machine allows you to embroider designs up to 4 inches by 4 inches at speeds of up to 400 stitches per minute. Thanks to Art Spirit Connectivity, you can easily design your next embroidery project using the free app, or import custom designs in PS, PHC, PHX, or DST formats. With the ability to personalize items like towels, jeans, and blankets, your creativity has no limits. The Skitch is built for makers who want to turn ready-made items into something uniquely their own. Ideal for craft enthusiasts and those new to embroidery, this machine offers everything you need to start your embroidery journey. Number 3. Brother XM2701 Sewing Machine, 27 stitches, automatic needle threader, free arm, includes 6 sewing feet. Create with ease using the Brother XM2701 Sewing Machine, packed with everything you need for all your sewing projects. Featuring 27 built-in stitches, including decorative blind hem, zigzag, and stretch options, this machine is perfect for both everyday tasks and creative endeavors. The automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin make setup a breeze, ensuring frustration-free sewing every time. With a versatile free arm, it's ideal for sewing sleeves, cuffs, and other tricky areas. Plus, it comes with a set of 6 sewing feet, a 3-piece needle set, twin needle, and more, making it perfect for beginners and experienced alike. Brothers at your side, support offers free technical assistance so you can get help whenever you need it. Number 4. Singer Sewing and Embroidery Machine, 250 stitches, 150 designs, Wi-Fi connectivity, 7-inch touchscreen. Unlock your creativity with the Singer Sewing and Embroidery Machine, a powerhouse packed with endless features for both sewing and embroidery enthusiasts. With 250 sewing stitches, 401 stitch applications, and 150 embroidery designs, you'll have everything you need to craft stunning garments, home decor, and quilts. The large 7-inch color touchscreen makes it easy to select stitches and designs, while the intuitive controls let you adjust speed and settings with ease. Wi-Fi connectivity through the MySewNet app keeps you connected, allowing for seamless embroidery design transfers and real-time progress tracking. From automatic needle threading to built-in thread cutting and a quick-set bobbin system, this machine ensures efficiency at every step. With accessories like multiple presser feet and a 170 by 100 millimeters hoop, you're ready for any project. Number 5. Utin 2200 Sewing Machine, 60 built-in stitches, LCD display, electric and handheld mode, 5 presser feet. Elevate your sewing projects with the Utin 2200 Sewing Machine, designed for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts. Featuring 60 built-in stitches, including both basic and decorative options, you can easily add creativity to your designs. The large LCD screen makes stitch selection a breeze, and with the push of a button, you'll be ready to sew in no time. Whether you prefer electric mode or a slower, more controlled pace with a handheld foot pedal, this machine adapts to your needs. Versatile buttons like start/stop, reverse, and needle up/down add convenience, while automatic tension and adjustable stitch length/width ensure professional results. Plus, with 5 quick change presser feet, including a zipper and buttonhole foot, you're all set for any project, from quilting to intricate detailing.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.